How's it going, everyone? I want to give an update on the Powell speech we had, the big move down we had, and it's just absolutely volatile here. So I'm going to look at the charts here on SPY, QQQ, IWM to see kind of which sector is this really a crash or is this just a correction for a big move higher. So if we go right into the charts here, let's look at the weekly chart here on SPY. To me, when I'm looking at this seems just to be a nice correction, right? You see how you had these big move up here, we come all the way up here, we come back to this EMA 20, and then we go higher, right? I think there's more room down. As we're at this 10, we broke it. I think we can easily go to this 20, and we also have not ever hit this 50 in a while. So, I mean, yes, we could touch this 50 and go up, but I do think at the end of the day, we're just going to keep going higher and higher, and these corrections are very, very necessary to happen, right? So yeah, it just sucks that you had this big 3% down move on SPY, like all in one day, and it makes sense. Powell's speech, anything can happen. You really shouldn't be trading usually on days like this. So, but as you can see, the normal direction of the trend is going up and up and up. That's the weekly chart here. We have higher lows happening, and every time we had this big nasty dip, we actually made all-time highs, right? So I don't think there's anything to worry about. I know there's a lot of panic, and that happens all the time. Oh my, your stock's down, and you're like, oh my gosh, the world's ending, recession. Well, this is a trash company and all that. But you just got to look at the bigger picture. If you play the higher quality stocks, if you're in my Discord, you know what kind of high quality stocks I like to do. I also do covered calls on them. There's great ways to make money till a stock goes up, and I can teach you guys more about that. But if we look at the chart here, I suspect SPY to start bouncing in this area here, right where this blue band is at 577. So yes, we can go down some more, or it could just do something like this, right? It goes down a little, and then it shoots up, right? It doesn't have to be exact, but that EMA 20 is going to be your very big bounce, and then the EMA 50 is kind of down here, but as you can see, it's going up and up. But I also, we haven't hit it since 2023 of November, so, maybe we could hit this EMA 50 and then have that big bounce. We'll see. If we look at the QQQs, very similar chart, except we're only on the EMA 5 and not the 10, so this probably could go down some more, but they're all looking very bullish here. This one hit the EMA 50. You see how perfectly that hit it, and then it shot right up, right? I got some lines here that I need to get rid of. But and that's really what happened here, Everything is looking good. Obviously, this is just to scare people out, and that's part of trading. You're going to have this, stuff that scares you out. IWM, look at the chart. Let me get rid of some of these lines here. I do day trading, and you guys that know these lines, you guys know this is my 15-minute orb. But for the weekly chart, everything is looking fine too here. We had this clear bottom here all the way here, and we're just been going up and up and up and up. So on the weekly chart here, on the longer term aspect, which is the only thing I really like to care for in the markets, is what is going on in the longer term. Well, longer term, IWM is going up and up and up for the small caps. Obviously, we hit this EMA 20. I think we hit this 50, and we go up from there. We'll definitely see. So everything looks good to me. I don't think there's, obviously panic's going to happen when you see red. But I obviously, what I suggest you to do is buy high quality stocks. Use this system. Look at the weekly candles. Look at the trends. Is the trend going up? Look for those pullbacks. When you get a big reaction to the move like this in the market, you can look for those pullbacks and to really position yourself. And then, if it's just not going your way, look to sell covered calls. I've been telling people this. Like for example, let's say you have Nvidia, right? Nvidia went down. No, not too much. It hit that 1%, but you can see on a daily hit the 50 and reject. But for Nvidia, you could sell covered calls, and you make money as the stock goes down, and as the stock goes up, then that's fine. Then you can get a new covered call and keep rinsing, repeating. And that's really how I like to look at it. Strong companies are going to keep going up. We know SPY is just a correction. I don't see, people saying, oh, it's a recession. It's this is going to keep going down, dropping like a lot. We've had these big pullbacks happen. We've recovered very nicely from here. Look at this nice pullback from here. Recovered nicely. This did a 3%, Yes, we had a pretty big one right here, but then look at this. We covered nicely, had this pullback, try to go to the 50, covered nicely. So I do think there's a little more room if it wants to go down, but it's not like tremendously a lot. To me, ignore the fear. Look at the chart. Look at the monthly chart. Everything has been going up and up and up since forever, right? And that's what I love to see, right? This is a very bullish looking chart until otherwise proven. I would say, with your long-term stocks, don't freak out. If you're down, do covered calls. So I just want to give it this nice little update. I'd be looking very bullish on this EMA 20 for SPY and see if we get some pattern like this, some pattern like this, and we just keep on heading up there, guys. Hope you guys like this video. I hope I give you guys reassurance. This is just no bias. This is technical analysis. That makes sense, that works, and how you can keep on playing this. I don't think there's anything to worry about. Maybe we might get a Christmas rally coming up in here after we get a little. Maybe this is just to pull back some people, and then we just shoot up. We'll see. So hope you guys like this analysis. If you guys do want to join the Discord and look for the where to find my high quality stocks, look for my system and how to trade. Definitely join the premium Discord down below in the YouTube comments below. We'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll say join the premium Discord. And when you click that link, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a member, hit day trade alerts, and you will get access to all my membership swing trades and day trades for only $12 a month. And if that's too much, you can just hit swing trade alerts, and you'll get access for just $6 a month for those. But with this strategy, I think you guys can really like it. It wins very high, over 90%, and I'm really loving the day trading strategy. Doing credit spreads, which I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do it, and then I also have a buying strategy on how to do a 1-minute scalping strategy. It's very worth it for only $12 a month. I think you guys are going to learn a lot. And then the swing trades are going to be more slower, so that's why I suggest get into some day trades. That way you can make passive income all the time, and then wait on your swing trades to pan out. But if you hit server shop here, you can see the 2 memberships. Like I said, Day Swing Trading Plus, $12 a month. You won't regret it. This is keeping real analysis. I don't think there's really anything to worry about. Everyone's freaking out, but I mean, just look at the chart. That's going to show you the picture. Everyone can have their own opinion. People can be like, "Oh my gosh, this is going to," as far as I'm concerned, there's nothing causing me to worry about this. I think we bounce on this 20 and we just keep going up from there. So I hope you guys like this video. Give it a like, subscribe, comment. I'll see you guys in the Discord, and happy trading.